What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to update your graphics driver on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, you should verify which graphics card you are using, as some can utilize a custom application to help with the driver update. In your Start menu, search for Task Manager and select Task Manager. On this window, select More Details, and then in the Performance tab, you can preview which graphics card you are using. For NVIDIA users, make sure to click on the first link in the description to get to this page. Here, make sure to download the GeForce Experience application, and it will take a minute or two to download the 120MB installer. When the download is complete, simply follow the install wizard to install GeForce Experience to your system. When you're done, simply search for GeForce Experience in your taskbar search to open up the application. In the Drivers tab, click on Download. This will take a few minutes to automatically download and install the newest NVIDIA GPU driver on your system. Before closing this window, navigate to your settings when clicking on this gear icon. Here, in the General tab, I suggest disabling the in-game overlay, as it can cause lag on some systems. For AMD users, you can utilize the AMD Radeon Software to complete the same step and update your graphics driver. Simply click on the second link in the description to download and install the application. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.